Just picked up the Oppo A5 Pro, and I've been hearing a lot about it being one of the best budget phones this year, especially for gaming and camera use. I'm going to put it through its paces today. Let's see if this phone is actually worth it, or just hype. First off, it looks clean. Slim profile, good feel in the hand. Nothing flashy, but solid for the price. Specs-wise, it's running a decent processor for this range and comes with a pretty big battery. But how does that translate to real-world use? Let's jump into the gaming test first. I tested PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty, and Genshin Impact, all pretty demanding games. Starting with PUBG, medium settings by default, and it's surprisingly smooth. No major frame drops, and it holds steady even during firefights. Call of Duty Mobile also runs great on medium to high settings. Quick response, no overheating after 30 minutes of play. Genshin Impact does push it. You'll need to dial it down to low or medium, but it's still playable, which is wild for a phone in this price range. Battery held up well too, only dropped about 15% after 45 minutes of gaming, and the phone stayed cool, which is impressive. Now, onto the cameras. The rear camera setup is decent. I wasn't expecting much, but honestly, the results surprised me. In daylight, photos are crisp, with solid dynamic range. Colors pop without looking overly saturated. Portrait mode actually does a nice job with edge detection, and even in lower light, there's not too much noise. Front camera for selfies is fine, nothing groundbreaking, but more than good enough for TikTok or Insta. Video recording tops out at 1080p, and stabilization is okay. You'll want to keep your hands steady, but again, for the price, not bad. So, final thoughts. The Oppo A5 Pro punches way above its weight. Great for casual gaming, solid cameras, and killer battery life. If you're a mobile gamer or content creator on a budget, this might be the best phone in this price range right now. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. I've got more budget tech reviews coming your way real soon.